Hello, y'all, and welcome back. So, oh my god, my burp. So it's been a while since I've uploaded. I mean, the last video I've uploaded was that mini Minecraft video. That was set for private for some reason. I had to change it back to public. So, um, it actually would have came out like 2 days ago, I think, or yesterday. But then, I actually made it on like Saturday or Sunday or something. Then for some reason it was on private. So whatever. Today I'm gonna be building a giant Sphinx. I built this on another world so I can get an idea on what I'm doing, because you always gotta pre-plan before you do anything. So, here is the grid for it, so feel free to copy this grid down. So, this is going to be split up into several parts because I have no clue how long this is going to take. I mean, it's a pretty big build, as you can tell. So, yeah, you guys can pause the video real quick and copy this down. But for the people that are done, let's get to building. So, first are the legs, I guess that's what you can call them. So, we build like 1, 2. Oh yeah, for the supplies need smooth sandstone, and smooth sandstone stairs. So, once you got all that down, you can join back, because I'm stupid and I forget things. So, you're gonna build it like that. You're gonna build something like that, right at the 24. And then, you're gonna do that. You're gonna do this 4 times next to each other, actually. So, there's that. And then, you're gonna put 2. You're gonna do the same thing, but one block farther, and in between every single one of these. So you're gonna do it like that. So now, once you got that down, you're gonna build by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Actually, no, okay. I might need to go farther this. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I built this, then I was like, I don't know what I should do to do this. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, 20 is good. So then you're gonna build all the way over to here, and then back. So, and then you're gonna do on this side too. Oh yeah, this is estimated, so I know this is gonna be a really bad tutorial because I didn't estimate things, but I know this is the perfect size. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to estimate this as much as I can, or make this fit. So then you're gonna do something like that. You're gonna get these 2 and put more blocks on top of it. Then you're gonna do something like that. And then you're gonna bring this all the way back to these 2 other walls. There we go. And then, what you're going to do now is you're going to do the same thing, but to this side. So, you're just going to basically do the exact same thing that I did on the other leg. You're going to have to copy it down on the same side. And then I'll cut back to when I have this other leg finished. So, see ya in a couple of seconds. I am back from making that one leg. So now what you're gonna do? Oh my god, there are animals everywhere, and there's a wandering trail. This is gonna be terrible. You're gonna build up by 2 right there, and you're gonna do another 2. Then you're gonna build another by a 3. Then you're going to build up a 1. Then you're going to build up another 2. And just one more 3. Oh, whoops. So now, what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing on the last side. So I'm going to do some, so you're going to build up 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Alright. So that is going to be like the big part for, so it's going to be like where the Sphinx head is. So, to do this, okay, so actually, first off, you're going to fill this in all the way down to the legs. Alright, so once you get a Alright, so now you got that done, you're going to, you're gonna do this. You're gonna go by 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go like that. And then 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep on going and going until you reach the end. So you're gonna build like that. You're gonna go all the way over here, do this. This might be kind of difficult, but you'll manage. So you'll kind of have to build up all the way until you get all the way to the top of the head, or to the neck. Technically, I don't know. I have no clue what was the meaning of sphinxes. Not in a bad way. I'm just saying, like, it's like a cat looking thing with a face. I have no clue. It's kind of creepy. So you're gonna keep going over here. And then, once you get to the top, it will look like this. And so, now, you're gonna skip by 4 spaces. So, and then you go right here, and then, so that's 4. And it'll look something like that. So, it's gonna add a bit of, so it's not just gonna look like the whole entire thing is gonna be smooth. It's gonna make it more realistic looking. So it's not just like, so then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna add a bit of layering. All right. So, and then you're gonna skip 1 by 3. And then you'll have that. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you could basically add all of the bumps you want. I mean, I don't really care. But I wouldn't recommend keeping everything smooth, because the actual, like, Sphinx, it's very old, so I'd understand why it looked the way it is. But still, Actually, you can go by 2 more right here. Alright, so now it looked like that. And now, well, I guess you can do something right here. I mean, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so, and then 2, and then 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, so that is finished. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start for the Sphinx head. So, 1, 2, get some corners, 2, and now you're gonna make a neck. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's gonna be like the base of the head. So now beneath it, you're gonna do something like this. It'll be like the shape of the head. So once you do that, you're gonna do 1, 2. You're gonna bring that out. You're gonna bring all of it out actually. So like that. You're gonna build by 1, 2, 1, 2. And then this will be kind of like the start of your head. So now you're gonna build it up by 1. You're gonna bring it out by 1 more. Also, you can change anything about this. It's not the best thing in the world. It's not the greatest looking. But I don't really care. You can change it how much you want. So look like that. And now you're gonna bring this one by 1. It's not the best looking head. It's kind of small for, Sphinx, but it'll manage. So then it'll look like that. And then you're gonna bring it in by 1. So something like this. And then you build it up by 1 more, and then it'll look a little something like that. Now, I will say that, you can do that, but it's not the best. It's not the greatest looking head. I mean, you can, yeah, you could do that. Put 6 by 6. Yeah, that looks better, but still, it's still not, you can add a bit to the neck. So it looks a bit more realistic, but it's not actually going to look like a Sphinx. It's just going to be a little pretend model. Alright, so now, your Sphinx should look something like this. So I'm not going to make a face on it. So now you're going to build, I don't know what this is called, but it's something. So now you're going to do that, this. So you're going to put 2 right there. And now you're going to put 2 right here, right there. And then 1, 2, 1, 2. And then do that. And then you're going to build it up by 3. And then you're going to put that right there, this right here, this right here, this right here. And then you're going to have something like that. And then you're going to want to do the same thing to the other side. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then that, and then that. So, you should have something that looks like that. It's coming together, it's coming together. So you can add a face you want. It's probably, okay, but you can't do that. And then this over here. Oh yeah, and then you want to fill this up right here. This video is going to end soon. So part 2 will definitely be coming out tomorrow. And now, that is the front of your Sphinx. You can thicken this out a bit more. It's a little too small. That. There. Now, that is the front of your Sphinx. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good. I mean, it's not that terrible. I mean, it is kind of terrible, but it's not that terrible. It's fine. It's fine. In the next episode, I'll start on the back, and then it will probably about 3 or 4 videos on this. So, this is the front. I will definitely be doing part 2 tomorrow, so stay tuned. And I'll see y'all in the next tutorial video. Let me see if so they say bye. I don't know. Bye.